Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Nitesh Rane says Dargal toll employees deserved beating, says toll employees behaved in a rude manner, shows arrogance after landing in Mumbai. Court extends TEJPAL'S police custody by 4 days. Shoma Chaudhary deposes before magistrate on Saturday. Fatal accident at MALPEM claims lives of Purohit brothers from Maharashtra and one Sunil Patil from PERNEM. E-auctioning of extracted iron ore in Goa on the lines of Karnataka. Supreme Court appointed committee begins its work, meets at Secretariat on Saturday. Upgraded Tilak and Nehru Stadia gear up for Lusophonia Games. Chef de Mission and Ecolop officials to inspect stadia on Tuesday. And Sporting Club de Goa beat Dempo Sports Club in I-League. Boima Karpe scores the winning goal from penalty kick. Now news in detail. Dargal checkpost employees behaved in a very rude manner, and my police constables, they didn't deserve garlands, they deserved sound thrashing. I did nothing different and wrong. Narayan Rane's son Nitesh Rane showed his arrogance once he reached Mumbai airport. Nitesh Rane has accepted that he had assaulted the toll employees on duty.
जो काही प्रकार घडला तो आपल्या पोलीस खात्यातल्या एका पोलिसांवर हात उचलल्यामुळे एक रिएक्शन म्हणून तो घडलेला एवढं मी तुम्हाला सांगू.
Nitesh Rane and his goons created a ruckus at Dargal toll post on 3rd December. Rane and his gang thrashed toll employees inhumanly, and further he rammed into Goa by breaking the toll post gates. Police had arrested Nitesh Rane along with his 8 associates. He was later released. Swabhiman Karyakartas gave a rousing welcome to their leader Nitesh Rane the moment he reached the Mumbai airport. While speaking to media there, Nitesh put entire blame on toll employees of Dargal. He said toll employees initially behaved in a rude manner, especially with his police protection. They deserved the treatment. He countered back asking if Goan police were in Maharashtra and were subjected to such humiliation, then what would they have done?
250 रुपयाचा विषय नाहीये, पण शेवटी आपण विचारायचं नाही, आरेरावी करायचं. आपल्या पोलीस खात्यातल्या एका पोलिसांवर तो हात उचलतात, त्याची कॉलर पकडतात आणि त्यानंतर पण आम्ही गप्प बसावं किंवा त्यांना त्यांची आरती उतरावी हे आपण लोकांनीच मला सांगावं. त्याच्यामध्ये मी काय गुन्हा केलाय? मला वाटतं उद्या गुन्हा गोवातला पण कोण इकडे पोलीस येईल त्याच्यावर कोण हात उचलेल तर गोवातले लोक पण तेच करतील.
Operators have already narrated what happened at Toll Naka on 3rd December. They had said that like all others, they also asked for entry fees from Nitesh Rane. They asked if they had the pass to move in Goa if they did not want to pay the entry fee. But Nitesh Rane's goons pounced upon them and started beating them for asking the pass. One of the employees even claimed that Nitesh Rane slapped and assaulted him. Bureau Prudent.
Sexual assault accused Tarun TEJPAL'S police remand has been extended by 4 more days. Defense opposed extension of custody, but the court rejected plea of defense lawyer. Prosecution has cited that investigation and interrogation is not conclusive and hence police custody be extended. 3 more charges have been levied against TEJPAL now. Former managing editor of Tehelka, Shoma Chaudhary, deposed before judicial magistrate on Saturday.
Tehelka Tehelka sex assault accused Tarun TEJPAL'S remand period ended on Friday. TEJPAL was presented before the court for extension of custody on Saturday. Prosecution has cited that TEJPAL'S interrogation is inconclusive and hence his remand period be extended. Prosecution has appraised the court that TEJPAL'S interrogation based on statements of witnesses was essential. But TEJPAL'S counsel opposed extension in remand for TEJPAL. TEJPAL'S counsel told the court that TEJPAL is cooperating in police interrogation. TEJPAL'S all medical tests are through. TEJPAL'S computer has been confiscated. The data in TEJPAL'S computer is intact. TEJPAL'S counsel also told the court that TEJPAL was grilled for 2 to 3 hours. At times, TEJPAL used to sit alone in crime branch. TEJPAL'S counsel asked judicial custody for his client. But JMFC increased TEJPAL'S remand by 4 more days.
Well, the prosecution had sought extension of police remand for a further period of 8 days, and we opposed it. We said that the grounds on which they are seeking extension are not justifiable grounds, and the court should peruse the case diaries and the material on record, and after perusal of those the case diaries and after hearing our arguments, the court has granted them a police remand of only 4 days. Thank you.
Meanwhile, Tehelka's former managing editor Shoma Chaudhary deposed before judicial magistrate for recording her statements. Shoma reached Goa on Saturday. Panji JMFC has summoned Shoma Chaudhary and 3 other witnesses. Magistrate recorded statement of G. Vishnu, Saugat Dasgupta and Ishan Tankha on Friday. Victim girl has first appraised about the incident to all these 3. Hence, their deposition was essential. Meanwhile, trouble has increased for TEJPAL as 3 more charges are levied against him. With reporter Mukesh Kumar, video journalist Chetan Gauss for Prudent.
3 died on the spot in a head-on collision accident between 2 motorbikes at MALPEM, PERNEM. Accident left 1 severely injured. Accident occurred at around 8 a.m. The deceased hailed from Maharashtra. The injured rider is from PERNEM, undergoing treatment at GMC.
In a tragic accident at MALPEM, PERNEM, 2 motorbikes banged against each other head-on, leaving 3 dead on the spot. Both motorbikes are from Maharashtra. 1 is severely injured. Rohan Puranik and Rahul Puranik, both brothers, died on the spot in this accident. Both are from Sawantwadi and were working at Karaswada Mapsa. They were travelling towards PERNEM. Sunil Patil and Vijay Budi were coming towards Mapsa. Sunil Patil died on the spot, while Vijay Budi is undergoing treatment at GMC. Rahul Puranik got crushed under the truck carrying LPG cylinders. PERNEM police have arrested driver Ramesh Chimulgale. Meanwhile, a trailer's brakes failed and it rammed into 5 vehicles at Daboli on Friday night. Incident occurred near Daboli airport.
पार्किंग करून गेल्ले गेस्टाक रिसीव करपाक गेल्ले येता म्हणल्यार ट्रॉली घेवन वयर सरलो आनी ताका ब्रेक फेल जाली कितें जालें देवा खबर फाटी घेवन सगळे 5-6 गाडयो डॅमेज केले तेणी आनी सगळे गाडयेचे अर्धे गाडी टोटल लॉस केले तेणी फोडलो आखे ग्लास फुटले आनी धांवले ड्रायव्हर बी सगळे आमी तेंचे फाटल्यान धांवन दवरपाक गेल्लो पूण मेळोंक ना ते वाटेर धांवले खंय तरी नाच जाले
पडून सगळे आख्खे बलेनो बीन फूल डॅमेज जाल्या आनी जायते गाडी हांगा तेणें काबार केल्या आमी सदां हांगा पार्किंग करता आतां हे आतां गाडी आतां कोण करून दितलो आमकां आतां हो ओनर काय अजून हांगा येवंक ना तो येयल्यार तरी आमकां कितें तरी आमकां समाधान तरी मेळटलें न्हू तो कितें येवन उलयत तरी जाल्यार तो कांयच सांगपाक रेडी ना.
Reporter Vinod Methar and Dishan Parab for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.